Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make money by selling AI
let's
art.
begin.
So here we are in Leonardo.ai. This is the AI that we will be using, that we will be selling, because we're going to be selling art that we will be making here in Leonardo.ai. And remember, you can also use other AI image generation platforms, but in this example, I'll be using Leonardo. And the marketplace that we will be selling our art in is Etsy. And again, you can choose other market that you can use to sell your art, or you can use multiple markets so that you can sell better. But this is just an example right here. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go here in AI image generation in Leonardo. So click on it. And from here we can create our own AI generation right here. So let me just close this, delete this image right here. And now from here we are going to make our own. So for example, right here in Etsy, we can see a lot of AI generated arts right here that is being sold. So for example, this one is about $12 or $14 right here. So this is sold 2,000 times. So it's like 4,000. I mean, 14 times 2,000 is 28,000, right? So yeah, that is how powerful this AI art selling right here. So you can earn that much by just selling it right here, and that is just one-time work. You don't have to work for it every day. It's passive. So what you're gonna do is do it right here in Leonardo, because you have free credits to spend right here so that you can create your own AI art. So from here, we're gonna create a prompt. So for example, we'll be creating a prompt about like this one right here. So amazing Spider-Man maybe. So I'll be typing in amazing Spider-Man in a portrait animated style, just like that. And we're gonna click on generate, and just like that, we are now generating an image right here. So you can see it here in the settings on the number of images that you would be generating from a prompt right here. So if you select 8, then it would generate 8 images from this prompt right here. So in my case, I only got one right here, so that it will only use 8 tokens. So I only have 118 left. And this is the image that is created by Leonardo. And this is unique. Like, there is no other image like this, because this is my own creation of AI prompt right here in Leonardo. So you could rest easy that you'd have similar images right here. It might be similar, but it's not exactly the same, okay? So this is a way on how you can download it here. Click on download image so that you'd be able to download this. And as you can see, we now have it right here, but as you can see, it's not very good. So that would mean that I would need to customize my prompt right here, or maybe customize it right here. Maybe you can use the version, this prompt magic version 3, so that it will be better. And you can customize the specs right here of your photo. But that is another topic. I'm just showing you how you can create an image right here. And after you have created your image, you want to log into Etsy, and you want to go into being a seller, and then you want to simply sell it right here. And that's basically it on how you can make money using AI here in 2023.
If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to be updated on our new uploads. See you soon.